The Hub Farm is a beautiful 30-acre site that has forest, fields, and water, and it's a facility for all of Durham Public School students to come out and learn about the local food system and get involved in growing local food. With the produce for the Hub Farm right now, we do nutrition and classes at the Hub Farm. So we have nutritionists come out and teach them how to cook with the foods that we're growing. We do a lot of planting the seeds, harvesting the seeds, talking about what plants are what and how they grow.
We got more than enough of that.
Okay, we got more than enough. We're gonna have a huge salad.
Only one of each, guys. You only need to pick one.
So we started with a little tour, and Catherine took them on the Where the Wild Things Are trail. And while she was doing that, I took half the class into the vegetable garden, and we looked at some of the things that we were going to harvest for our lunch today. So we looked at the purple kale and the dinosaur kale and some of the different color cauliflowers and some herbs and some sunflower seeds that were ready. And then we did a cooking lesson where we harvested the kale, we rinsed it, and made a kale apple salad.
We eat some salad, apple salad, and we pick some apples. Then we cut the apple off and we have cheese.
What else did you put in the salad?
Thank you for the stone. All right, so number 3. This year we've started bringing them out here to do the cooking out at the Hub Farm, and it gives everybody the opportunity to actually harvest and then cook with those foods. It's been extraordinarily successful. And we also come once every other week to the Durham County Public Health Department, and we sell the produce here. We also try to get the produce into as many local restaurants as we can, so we've been selling things that we have extras of to a couple of the restaurants in downtown Durham.
I saw a frog and lots of she cells. There's fun, and there's a barnyard, and then there's a pond.
I intern at the Hub Farm, and while I'm there I help plant and harvest vegetables, but I'm more specifically in animal husbandry, so I take care of the 2 chickens that we have. I also help teach the children that come to the farm. We usually have elementary age kids, a few middle school and a few high school classes too, but mostly elementary age, and they get to walk around the nature trail at the farm, and they get to see how farming was done before it was industrialized and made on a large scale. So they get to see the chickens, and they get to candle eggs and do lots of really fun stuff. We also have a floating lab that they go on, and they can do water samples and look at the pond ecosystem and all the things there.
The future of the Hub Farm is going to have about 3 to 5 acres in production. We want to sell that to CSAs, to families and students who are participating. We've got culinary arts programs that are going to be using it for some of the events that they do. We want to have a farmers market that is for farmers in North Durham as well as the Hub Farm. It's run partially by students. We want to also provide support and help to other schools who are trying to produce farms, and eventually grow a network of farms throughout the Durham Public School system that then can be GAP certified and get to the cafeteria system, so that we're actually growing a lot of what goes into the cafeteria system. Long-term plan.
Bye.
Bye.